Okay, how you doing out there, people? Today's Tuesday, the 28th of December. Hope everybody had a nice Christmas or whatever holiday you're into celebrating. And I'm going to show you a little video of what I've been into, some new tools I've acquired, the planer, the chainsaw mill I just got done putting together, and the guide system that came with it. I put that together yesterday. I've got most of the material together to build my deck finally, almost 4 years later. So I've got all the framing lumber, and I'm going to take the chainsaw mill, and I've got hundreds of cedar trees of all different sizes here on the property. And I'm going to make the decking boards for the deck with the chainsaw mill. That's the plan behind it. So I'll put this up front. This is done backwards, but for the price of the decking, I was able to buy the chainsaw mill and the guide system and the planer for less money than the decking was going to cost me. So I'm going to make my own cedar because I have tons of it. And that'll be coming in all the videos. So hope everybody's well. Hope you have a nice holiday. Hope you got some time off. And there'll be more to come. This is just another project going on here at the Tennessee Off-Grid Project. So watch it. Hopefully you can get something out of it if you're into this type of stuff, woodworking and chainsaw milling. This is all new to me. I'm brand new at it. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. So it should be fun. I'm sure I'm going to make plenty of mistakes and look silly. All right, I'll be back later when I got more to show you and talk about. So Happy New Year, everybody, and I hope you have a good one. Stay safe. Okay, here's take one. I just got my chainsaw mill. I'm going to attempt to unbox it in front of the camera. We'll see how it goes. Noisy here today, sirens, gunshots, chainsaws, typical country stuff. So hopefully we'll catch this. I just got it. Let's see what's in here. Oop, it's a box in a box. Okay, 2 boxes. All right, see if I'm catching that. Looks like I am. All right, let's see what's in this box here. All right, I'll get back to you. You don't need to watch me cut the boxes open. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I just got it cut open, and I am happy to report I'm impressed with it. This had 30 reviews on it, only 1 2-star review, and reading the guy's comments, I think he didn't know what the hell he was talking about to begin with. But the hardware actually fits, and the cheap wrench they give you actually fits the nuts, which is incredible. No lock nuts, but we got those in stock. And everything is nicely welded. Looks like it's chrome plated. There's your graduations numbers on them. These look like they're painted. And I was looking at the Vivor mills, and everybody apparently that bought one said the hardware that came with them didn't fit. These fit perfectly. This doesn't have actual name on it. There's your rails. Another piece all numbered. It's actually in inches. How about that? It's amazing. And I heard comments that this piece was very sharp, and I would say yes, it is very sharp. I'm going to take a file to it. Extremely sharp with a razor. All right, that's it for that piece. The other piece is like the ladder piece that you put on top of the log. It's supposed to be 9 feet long when it's fully assembled, so we'll see. All right, I'm going to put this stuff over and show you the other box. I'll be back. Okay, I just got the rail system, the thing that makes the little ladder. Just bolt it together like that. And I got to tell you, This entire thing, the chainsaw mill and this first cut rail system, was $154 US, and I was, to be honest, not expecting a whole lot, but the quality seems to be on par with it. Just about anything you would buy today. These are even square. Incredible. That is amazing. You just don't see that crap today, and this is Chinese. Unbelievable. All right, I'm going to start putting it together, and I'll be back. So far, I would have to say I agree with the reviews on this, that it was a really nice kit. So I'm glad I bought the whole thing. All right, I'll be back. Here's another little fun fact I'm going to share with you real quick. 72 degrees here, 12/27/21. That's just amazing. That's incredible. I just had to take a go down to one t-shirt. All right, just to update, beautiful weather here in Middle Tennessee. Okay, I started to assemble this, and I'm putting a little Loctite on the bolts. It's pretty straightforward. All right. Okay, there is what's supposed to act as a ladder, the guide for your first cut. I'm trying to give you a little peek at it. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. It's pretty damn straight. Straight enough to guide the chainsaw, I do believe. Squared it all up best I could. Loctited it all together. I'd have to say, I don't think it's that bad. It's amazing for the money I spent on it. It's pretty damn nice. Not too heavy either. All right, there's the guide. Pretty straight. That's 3 pieces put together, so 6 total. Pretty damn straight. All right, on to the chainsaw mill itself. More to come. Okay, it's the next day. I got this together last night. I got done messing with it about 5:30. I finally have the saw going in the correct orientation, which actually would be, this would be the direction you'd be using it, so that the teeth on the bottom are going the correct way. And now I'm going to take all the nuts and bolts off, install lock washers and some Loctite where needed. And I can safely tell you and honestly tell you that the instructions that come with this thing, you can't even use the pictures because they're showing pictures of things that aren't even here. So basically just throw the book away. It's a waste of time. So that's it. Next thing I'm going to do is take out the handy dandy little Harbor Freight chainsaw sharpener, which basically I'm going to make a rip chain out of one of my old crosscut chains. As far as that thing sharpening chains, yeah, it does an okay job, but I haven't used it in years. All right, more to come on the chainsaw deck board project. That's all for now.